Hello peeps, it is good to see you visiting my channel. Welcome. So, have you been searching the YouTube how to replace the battery and the thermal paste on this Acer Aspire 5 A515, the exact model listed right in front of you? Well, you came to the right video guide then. So without further ado, let's get straight into it, shall we? Just as a quick reminder, many replacement parts and components will be listed below in the description box of this video. So be sure to expand the box and check those links out. These are purchase links on Amazon, safe to open. I hope you will find them helpful. I thank you in advance. So, like you see here, only 2 screws holding the fan. Time to remove the heatsink. This is fairly easy, wouldn't you say? Need to wipe clean both the CPU and the GPU. I wish to apologize to you peeps. My camera wasn't rolling when I was reapplying the fresh amount of thermal paste and fastening back the body of the cooler, so I'm missing this part. Very sorry again. The lower part of the battery should be inserted first, and only 2 screws. That is it, folks. Another do-it-yourself video guide finished. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please click on the little like button below. It would mean the world to me. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until we meet again, successful upgrading.